I just discovered a process that lets you capture your own IMAX grade footage for less than $10. Yes, the same IMAX style footage you just watched. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now, built with one clear goal: to make AI video creation genuinely creator friendly. Inside one platform, you get access to some of the world's leading AI models: Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, One 2.5, and more. But that's not even the most exciting part. According to Higgsfield, you can now capture footage that mimics ARRI Alexa, Red V-Raptor, and Sony Venice camera, paired with Hollywood-level, highly sought-after lenses. All of this is made possible through Higgsfield's new engine called Cinema Studio. Now, Higgsfield is making a lot of big promises, and as a professional content creator who's worked on multiple AI productions, we're going to put the newly launched Cinema Studio to test. I'm going to give you a quick breakdown of how I used the new Cinema Studio to create the clip you just watched. First, head over to Higgsfield AI. Once you are there, scroll over to the neat little tab called Cinema Studio. You can start with an image, and honestly, this is where all the fun really begins. You describe your prompt like you normally would. From there, you can select your resolutions: 1K, 2K, or 4K. Keep in mind, different resolutions use different credit amounts. 1K and 2K cost the same, while 4K uses 4 credits. Next comes with the coolest part: selecting your camera. And honestly, this feels like a video game. Choose your setup, choose your weapon. We head into the camera options, and here's what we have: Red V-Raptor, Sony Venice, IMAX film camera, ARRI Alexa 3.5, Reflex 16SR, and so much more. I'll be honest, I don't know everything about every camera here, but if you are curious, Higgsfield actually shows you the sensor style for each one: digital film, and so on. Personally, I think what makes the biggest difference in the final image is the lens. We've got options like Lens Baby, Spherical, Hawk V Light Anamorphic, Probe Lens Spherical, Canon K35, and so much more. And then there's my current favorite, the Petzval lens. This lens gives you that wild, swirling background effect that pulls all the attention to your subject. It looks insane in the best way. For focal length, you've got options like 24mm, 50mm, and 85mm. So I'm going to lock in my settings here. And for the prompt, I used something like low angle close-up cinematic shot of a woman in a dense forest, late afternoon golden sunlight filtering through the tall trees, creating soft edge lighting and rim lights around her silhouette. I added a few more details and then generated the image, and wow, just look at the level of details. It's insane. Now, this is just the image, but once you're here, you have options. You can edit, upscale, or enhance it. You can upscale using Topaz, which is built directly into Higgsfield, or you can use Higgsfield New Skin Enhancer, which adds a more realistic skin texture. Next, we move into video generation. I click into the image generation, select 5 to 10 seconds, choose whether I want audio on or off, which is amazing, and decide if I want slow motion or real time. I'm going with real time here. You can also adjust the batch size again. Now, here's where it really gets fun. You can start adding camera movements. In this scene, the character has been running, she's exhausted. I want the shot to feel intense and immersive. So we're going to use handheld. Handheld puts the viewers right in that moment. It makes them feel just as unsteady and tense as the subject. And that's basically it. That's how you want to use the software. If you want to try this out yourself, make sure to click the link in the description. Now, let's talk about consistency. If I want to regenerate multiple shots within the same scene, Do I reuse the same prompt? Do I add a reference image? The answer is no to all of that. Here's what you do instead. Go back to the image you already generated and click multi-shot. This is so good. What it does is it generates a compilation of different angles from the same scene, and not the same shot repeated, but multiple moments within that scene. For example, she's running, she's laid back, she's checking her surroundings, she's walking, and then we have our main scene here. From here, I look at this and say, okay, which ones do I like? Personally, I love this one with the lens flare, so I select the shots I want and upscale them. These initial files are low resolution proxy files just meant for previewing. Once you upscale them, they become full resolution images, just like the first one we generated, and you can drop them straight into the video generation. The consistency is honestly impressive, and this is about as close to realism as it gets right now. For me, 10 out of 10. Once you've generated your videos, download them and edit them in your favorite video editor. Now, let's answer the biggest question: pricing. Because most creators don't have billion-dollar clients saying, here's my money, make something. So how much does this actually cost? The plan most people will gravitate towards is the ultimate plan. It's $49 per month, and you get 1,200 credits monthly. That's honestly wild. If you want to check this out yourself, click the link in the description. You can even start with the basic plan just to test things out. As you move into higher plans, you start getting additional features included, like Cradon Flux 2 free generations with unlimited use. So go explore the plans, try it out yourself. Remember, it only takes one to stop demonizing AI and start using it as a tool to expand your creative mind. It only takes one to start creating content, however that looks for you. It only takes one to make a change. And it only takes one to change the world. And that could be you. See you next time.